Welcome to chartforecaster.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about iShares Silver Trust because silver has been booming, and we're going to dial in chartforecaster.com into the charts to see what important pivotal dates you can watch out for to make some trades. But with that said, hit us up on chartforecaster.com or head on over to our YouTube channel where you're seeing this. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell because we're dropping alpha all the time. Now, silver's been on this massive rally, and in this week, we're seeing somewhat of a rising wedge form on the charts right now, which is a bearish symbol. But when we fire up chartforecaster.com, this has an impeccable track record, to say the least, when it comes to predicting market movements. That's because, guess what? We've built institutional grade software for the everyday user. This is what Wall Street doesn't want you to have. For $9.99 a month, you'll see why this is important. Now, we're going to just measure, we're going to find a swing low here, and I've got iShares Silver Trust selected down here. But we'll go back to November 21st. This looks like a nice bottom, or in fact, November 12th looks like a nice peak as well. So we'll go 11/12/2025. Let's dial this in here. And you can see we've got a nice laundry list of dates and times to be on the lookout for. And when we come down to our events chart, you can see how well chartforecaster.com does. It's kind of scary. But you can see here, it predicted that the markets would reverse and that there would be a market low or high, and boom, you can see we got candles. It was predicting here, it predicted down to the day and hour that bullish or bearish momentum would start building. Volatility spikes right here. Big, crazy spinning top. Momentum peak area. So price came up, started coming down. This was the area momentum would peak, and boom, once again, we pulled off another reversal, told us bullish momentum would start building, and we also got an advance notice that, guess what? Volatility spikes were coming on this date and time. What's it saying right now? That is the biggest thing that I want to try to figure out. So January 14th, 2026, which is soon. Now, guys, this is all in UTC time. This chart is in UTC time. All of this is in UTC time. So it's very important that if you're using chartforecaster.com, that you are using the same time frame as the software. So with that said, we do have a point, January 14th at 1900 hours and 5 minutes. There's going to be a momentum peak area. So this is interesting to see. So perhaps we could be seeing the 14th at 1900 hours. So somewhere up here, this could be what is known as a market peak area. And we could potentially see this rising wedge extend all the way up to around this point. So it wouldn't surprise me if we saw gold maybe kind of wiggle its way back up like this and then dump. But when I look at the structure at the same time, I'm also seeing Elliott wave theory, which is present in this current chart. So it's dependent on how far up we think that this possible impulse wave could extend, this 0.5. And really, to be honest with you, I don't know if this impulse wave is even valid because 0.2 and 3 have to be longer by default, 0 to 1. So this is going to be an interesting move to see, but price of silver is in a squeeze right now, and it's just been on a big, beautiful run the last few days. Let's just kind of look at this on a daily chart as well. You can see that there might be some Elliott wave theory already in here on a longer timeline. You might be able to argue something like this is in effect right now. Price is kind of far from this Ichimoku cloud. on the daily chart, so it is what it is. It wouldn't surprise me to see price kind of reel back in and touch up with this 50 moving average. So I do think that the rising wedge that you're seeing, I think that the date and times that chart forecaster is telling us that, guess what, there's going to be some market peak. There's going to be on the 18th of January, it's saying that we're going to see possibly a common reversal point, and we've got a double confirmation here, market high or low. Well, we're going to have to cross that bridge when that time comes. And on January 22nd, bullish or bearish momentum will start building. But you guys can see for yourselves how accurate Chart Forecaster is. It's got a very nice menu or icons down here that are color coded to these arrows. So it's very easy to tell what exactly is going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on iShares Silver Trust. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys on the next video.